manpower.
Ya ka kai phot halo ka jingwat banya ban penyar shu ya ka kat ling sun shlong la ban wan ra no hakini ki lai Bnai ban sawan u commissioner but secretary jong katnap transport u Sanjay Goyal u laong ba ka jing Jurip kalaya Khmih bat ki Khmih Lynti ru ba kin sayo Jingtip halo ka ni ka phang Hapoh lai Bnai ka jing Jurip kan sa aidak lada ka don em kanu ka benta ban penyar ya ka kat ling sun agajuk ka por u Goyal u la pentip ru ba ka sokar ba ka layo jing phak tien ki katu ka Italy ki no penyar ling sun ki bakaloi ban penyesno ya ka kat ling sun shlong bat ki wei pat ki nong ba jong ka ni kari bat ya menta ki jing ekran ki dang ya Khmih.
We are hopeful that within maybe next 3 months' time, we should be getting some information and report on the same from the airport authority. It's a very detailed survey which will give us the feasibility aspect of the expansion, whether it is possible or not possible, and in what manner, if it is possible, in what manner it can be done. Once we get some concrete inputs from them in terms of their commitment towards running into these routes, we will get back to you. So we're looking for maybe daily connectivity to New Delhi, Bombay, and down south, keeping in mind the potential of the tourism potential. A lot of tourists we do get from the South Indian parts, so maybe Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. These are the routes which are there in our mind.
Ka Negrons Bihu celebration